Hey everybody, so I wanted to give you another opportunity to practice using the verb ser in the present tense. Remember, the verb ser means to be. Before we do these sentences, what I want to do is draw up two charts for you. So this first one, I want to put my subject pronouns into it, and those are the words like I, you, him, her, we, they, etc. And then the chart over here, I'm going to just put the different versions of the verb to be. So if you know these, or if you want to just test yourself, maybe pause the video and see if you can fill those in. Otherwise, I'm going to start telling you what they are right now. So these ones over here on the left are going to be the subject pronouns. And the ones over here will just be the versions of the verb ser. So hopefully you remember some of these ones from class the other day. The top left of this chart over here is going to be I, which you know is yo. One beneath that is going to be you. Now, there are lots of different yous, both in English and Spanish. There's like you singular, and there's you plural, there's you guys maybe. In Spanish, there's some different yous. That you, the tú, is the informal you. So that's the you would use with a friend, maybe. Like if you wanted to say you are really tall, then that's the you that you would use. The bottom left box, we've got three different words. The first one's going to be él, which means he. Then we'll have ella, which is she. Then we'll have usted, which is you formal. And remember that these words on this side of the chart are all singular, meaning they only refer to one person. Let's go to the right-hand side of the chart. On the top right, we have the word nosotros. This can also be nosotras with an as like that, if it's a group of girls. That word means we. So nosotros and nosotras means we. We're just going to skip this one right now. I mean, it's vosotros. We can learn that at another time if you want to. And in the bottom right, we're going to have three more words. The first two words are very similar. The first one's ellos. The second one's ellas. And both of those words mean they. And then the last one is ustedes. And ustedes means you, like you guys, basically. It's you plural. It is not the plural of usted necessarily. It is just you plural, like you guys. So we need to know that chart in that order and what all of those words mean. Go ahead and go back and play it again if you need to hear the English counterparts. Let's do the other chart. And over there we have the word ser. That's why we change colors. All right, so it's ser. The top right, or top left, is going to be soy. And soy means I am. One beneath that is going to be eres. That's an E at the beginning of that, sorry. And eres means you are. The one beneath that is S, and S can mean different things. It can mean he is, she is, or you formal are. The top right, we're going to have we are, which is the word somos. We're just going to skip the next one for now. And in the bottom right, we're going to have the word son, which means they are or you are plural, like you guys. So I'm going to use this information to fill in the sentences on the left. Before I do that, I forgot to say that these words over here are all plural, meaning they refer to more than one person. And those carry over to over here as well. These ones right here are singular, and these ones right here are plural. And that'll help your decision-making process. So let's go over here to these 5 sentences. The first one we have Jose. Jose is just one person, one guy, right? So I know that Jose is going to fall over here somewhere on the left because he's one person, that's singular, which means I'm going to use one of these ones as well. So if I want to say Jose is a student, I need to look at my information here and ask myself which one is talking about him. So here's the word he, which is él. That's the one I'm going to use. So Jose is this word S right here. So I'm going to put S into this blank. Next second sentence down, I've got two people, Federico y Graciela. It's two people, right? So it's plural. So that means they're going to fall on the right-hand side of this chart. So I'm either going to put somos or son into that blank for the are part of that sentence. Federico y Graciela are teachers. So it's either going to be somos or son. We know that somos refers to us or we, so it's not going to be that one. It'll be they are, which is son. So I'm going to put that right here. Next one down is probably going to be one of the easiest ones because yo means I, ends up here in the top left. And you'll notice that soy is the only thing that can go with it. So yo and soy means I am. Next one down has Juan y yo. Okay, when you see this Juan y yo, don't think it just says yo, because if you put soy here, then that'd be like saying Juan and I am, like I am from, which you wouldn't say. You have to say Juan and I, like we are from. So that's two people. Two people is plural, so they're going to fall on the right-hand side of the chart. It's either going to be somos or son. Since it's that guy and me, that's us, that's we are. So I'm going to choose this top right one, which is somos. And then lastly, the last one will probably be pretty simple, like the third one. Tu means you. So on, you have the informal you are. Here's tu, middle left. Here's the only other word that goes in the middle left, which is eres. So you are driver. Tu eres conductor. So really the process is you have to know these two charts together so that you can pair the words up correctly. Like if you were to put yo, for example, with S, it'd be like saying I is. Or if I put tu with S, it'd be like saying you is. If I were to put this one L with son, it'd be like saying he are. So much like in English, you have to make sure your verb matches up the noun or the person that it's describing. Hopefully this helps a little bit. If you guys have questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you soon. Hasta luego.